Hey guys, whether this is your first, last, or only video you're watching for the evening, I just wanted to let you know that this is the distribution with rational numbers video solution, where I give you a step-by-step solution on how to do our last challenge problem. So for our challenge problem, we see it's asking us to take 4 plus 4/5 times 1/2 n plus 5, and then we would subtract a 3/10 n minus 2. So the first part of the challenge problem we must recognize is that we cannot add before we distribute. So the first thing I need to do is to distribute the 4/5 to 1/2 n as well as to 5. So if I write this out, I get 4 plus 4/5 times 1/2 n plus my second distributive part, which is 4/5. Oh, I don't like how that looks, so let's make that nice and clean. 4/5 times 5, and then I continue to write the rest, which is minus 3/10 n minus 2. Now I can be able to first simplify my 4/5 times 1/2 because I multiply straight across. So I can start rewriting the 4 plus my distributive. 4 times 1 gives me 4, and 5 times 2 gives me 10. So that's 4/10 n. Then we're going to add that to our next term, which is 4/5 times 5. I know that 4 times 5 gives me 20, and that 20 over 5 will then give me 4. So I know that I'm going to be adding 4. Also, I noticed that my 5's over 1 cancel, so I'm left with just 4. And now I continue to bring down the rest of my expression. The next thing I want to do is to make this so easy. So I want to take my subtractions and I want to actually make that into plus a negative number. Now I can go about and combine my like terms. So if I look at this, I note that I have some like terms. One example is I have my constant 4, another constant 4, and then another constant of negative 2. And then I also see that I have 4/10 n, and I have another n right here which happens to be negative 3/10. So if I combine all of my n's first, I can see that my 4/10 and my negative 3/10 I can combine since both of them are in tenths. So 4 minus 3 gives me a total of 1/10 n. And then I'm going to be combining my other like terms, so I'll be adding that to 4 plus a negative 2, which gives me 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 2 gives me 6. Oops, gives me 6. So my final answer, because I can no longer combine my constant with my coefficient because it's multiplied by a variable, my final answer is 1/10 n plus 6. Thanks for watching, guys.